watching back home, Eve and John, all of them ready for this now. And if the U.S. is going to keep pace with the Russian Olympic Committee, this has got to be great.
Secure your valuables, keep your arms inside your cart, and hold on to your children, because this routine is just off the charts, fantastic, start to finish.
And starting right here, look at the height that she gets. Gorgeous.
And right back up. And this is a big routine. Got a whole bunch of other flight elements connected right here.
Yes.
And there it is. That was golden right there.
Forget the numbers right now, guys. Think about those three routines after what happened, the fortitude, the determination to step up and get it done.
Yeah, and we talked about the pressure that they faced when they walked out onto the competition floor, but now they feel even more pressure to deliver. Here's that dismount. You could spot her eyes and smiles before she even finishes. Simone said she was going to be their biggest cheerleader tonight, and she sure is. Family.
Yeah, that was phenomenal, you guys.
Good job, Dad.
They've seen it. They expected it.
I hope so, yeah.
A number of times.
So it's a 15.4 for Suni Lee as the three teammates plus Simone Biles cheering them on, trying to hang in there with the Russians, the women's team final.